Hi, I'm Chloe, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful daisy wreath for summertime. I picked up several of these bunches of daisies at Michael's, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread these apart and just cut these right off with a pair of wire cutters. At first I thought I was going to make this wreath on a grapevine wreath form, and it just, even though I put a lot of daisies on it, it just didn't look right. So I got out this boxwood wreath that I have. Sometimes I just, between seasons and holidays, I just hang this on my door. But this is going to be perfect with daisies on it for summertime. You're going to just take your daisies then and bend the stem just like that. And then if you look down in here, you can see that this plastic, almost like this is a garland that is attached to the wreath form. And what we're going to do is just tuck the daisies right into that plastic form. That's all you have to do. And that way you can always take these off and you still have your plain boxwood wreath. So you think about it, you can use this all different seasons and decorate it in different ways. So I'm just going to work around here, just adding these just like this. Don't forget to make sure you bend those so that your daisies are all facing forward. And you could do this with as many or as few as you want. I'm going to do daisies all the way around, but you could do just a cluster of daisies and a bow on yours if you wanted. But I think daisies are such a kind of happy flower, and that's what I am using on my front porch this summer. Just like that, you have a beautiful daisy wreath. This is going to look great on my front door all summer long. And there we have a beautiful daisy wreath for summer. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I will link up to all the materials below, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time right here.